What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the Lego magnet set for the Empire State Building. It's only 26 pieces, so really fast build, but cool little magnet I'm going to end up putting on my fridge. Here's the box for it. So let's get it built. I'll see you guys when we're done. Alright, and here's the finished build. Nice little Empire State Building. Nice little magnet. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my fridge. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe for more. We will be doing builds almost daily. I got a nice little pile here. So follow me for more content.